I'm doing a talk on the second day of a conference. It's called Psychology of Agile Coaching, and where I look at more scientific part of coaching. So we have a lot of conversations around specific models working or not working, but I wanted to answer the question, well, why does coaching work at all? So we look at neuroscience, we look at motivation, we look at empathy. So we look at a lot of, different things on very basic scientific level to just trying to explain and understand the whole field of agile coaching. We talk about basic psychological needs. We talk about competence, autonomy, and relatedness. So that's an important part to understand. We talk about neuroplasticity, saying in order for someone to build a new habit or kind of new way of working, it takes 6 to 12 months. We talk about motivation. So saying just giving someone a reward or punishment is not always the best motivator. And if you're in it for a long game, 6 to 12 months to build a new habit, you have to motivate people better. So I give a few practical recommendations as an agile coach. So how do you motivate your clients, and how do you use those coaching tools and techniques to really make your clients succeed? Keep on doing it. You're doing great. So I just got back from Orlando. It's Agile 2017 is the big international conference with 2,500 people. So maybe we're not 2,500 people yet, but we're definitely growing big. And so I think keep on growing. We're doing a great thing in South Africa, and we can only do better every year. They need to look for another venue next year because it's we're at capacity in 390 people this year. So it's a tremendous growth, and I think it's we should attribute this growth to big companies, right, which adopting Agile, so big banks and retail companies in South Africa. I'm very excited to see some of the people I've trained a few years back and then becoming speakers here at the conference, so that's great to see. I did a few conferences myself. I was a chair a few years back, not of this one, but at a similar conference in South Africa. So I know how much effort actually goes into this organizing the conference. So really appreciate all the sponsors, JCSC. I really appreciate all the people in the committee trying to put it together. It's a lot of work, and it's a great event. 400 people coming together. So thank you very much, and thank you for inviting me to be a speaker this year.